We're going to talk about rubber dam placement for the ADEX exam for your anterior tooth. So you're going to either get an upper central or lateral. And for the exam, they want you to rubber dam at least one tooth on either side of your prep tooth. My suggestion is that you clamp your premolars and isolate the front 8 teeth like this. These premolar clamps that fit those teeth, and you can isolate these. One way to do it is to put your rubber dam on top and then just mark the teeth on here before you do your holes. Like that. And what you want to do is start your rubber dam about an inch or so past the edge of your rubber dam. How exciting. One way to do this is to place your clamps right onto your teeth first and make sure that they're on there well. And then you're going to go ahead and isolate by placing your rubber dam here on your first clamp. There, once you have that side done, you can go ahead and do the other side. Great. Now you should have enough holes to go over the remaining teeth. So here's where I need you. It's good to use a thicker rubber dam so that it doesn't rip on you. It's harder to place, but you'll have less issues with tear once it's in there. All right, so for the exam, they want you to make sure your rubber dam is inverted properly. So you want to take an Explorer and just tuck all the pieces in. And then do the same thing on the lingual. There you go. So we did this bench top so you guys could see how your rubber dam could go in. but if you do it on the mannequin, then you want to also be putting your frame on. You're going to use the rubber dam to prep and send your preparation for evaluation, and then you're also going to continue to use it when you're doing the restoration, and then when you send the restoration for grading, you'll be taking the rubber dam off. So definitely isolate several teeth on either side so you give yourself room to work. Even though the criteria is just one tooth on either side, it's better if you give the examiners more room to see and for yourself more room while you're prepping and restoring. But there it is. Rubber dam isolation.